Alright guys, what's up? Started my routine with a little bit of cardio. Uh, I've been doing sit-ups and push-ups. So I did 25 minutes of cardio, and right now I just started doing this. About to be on my second set. I'm just gonna do 12. Gonna do 12 but different sets. Alright, next leg. Oh, that's 10, I think. Alright. Adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna hold it 30 seconds. Fifteen more. Alright, I'm gonna turn around. Alright. Stretch out all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Then arms in the back, and then hold. All right, and for one of my last exercises, over top, hold 30 seconds. I'm gonna work the biceps. 15 more. Okay. Turn around. 12 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. These are my results for 4 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe.